Hi traders, welcome to Trading Week Ahead with me, Ken Calhoun, where you'll see my top picks for the week ahead. Featuring stocks and ETFs, you'll also get to watch my top Forex trading picks, plus see what's new with E-mini trading and more. All information is for educational use only. Don't make actual trades based on this. Instead, learn how to trade with me. Now, let's see what's going on in this week's markets. Hello active traders, this is Ken Calhoun with our next episode of Trading the Week Ahead for the week of May 23rd, 2011. Let's take a look at what's in play. We're going to be looking at stocks, Forex, E-minis, and ETFs. Let's go ahead and start off with BKS, a good gap up stock. I'm going to be adding to a current open winning position that I'm in. Here's a screen cap proof from my Fidelity account. You can see I was in 100 shares. This is what we call a gift. There was a buyout rumor and it shot up on Friday, putting me in the money by $600, a 48% win for just 100 shares. I will be adding to my current open long. If it takes out new highs, I will sell it at the first sign of a pullback or reversal. Anyway, BKS on the radar for plays coming up. Also, PetroHawk had good intraday volatility on Friday, 24 to just under 26 here. So nearly a 2-point range in HK, the ticker. Keep that one on the radar as well. For cheap stocks, here's a screen cap of Zales. You can see this one I've been swing trading for a very long time. Friday, big volume, right? Big volume gap up continuation. So I will be adding to open winning long positions on new breakouts in Zales. So that's just a few. Let's take a look at even more. Another one I've been trading, MGM, screen cap proof. Remember, always ask for screen cap proof from people's broker accounts to show they actually really trade before buying from them. Most of the vendors out there don't trade, so they don't deserve your money to buy their educational products unless they can prove they can really trade their way out of a paper bag or better. Anyway, I'm in 300 deep in MGM in this account. It's up just under $400, not a lot. I want to see if it starts to take out new highs. I will be adding to my open winning long, so I just wanted to bring that to your attention because it's taking out new highs here on a 15-day chart. So really good price action in MGM. None of the other casino stocks or gaming stocks are really moving strongly right now, so MGM's kind of the standout in that one. GameStop, another big mover in our Thursday and Friday sessions, going from 25 to 28. You could see it moved up a lot Thursday, didn't do much on Friday's session, but because this is a bullish engulfing type pattern, right? This to that is a bullish engulfing, right? The low to the high is above that, and it sure enough continued on up. I will be looking for longs on new highs in GameStop as well. Last one of our equities is United Airlines. It's leading the airline sector. It's better than the others, Delta and Southwest and LCC and the rest of it. Decent volatility, 23 to 26.5. I will be buying this on new high breakout continuations myself, so I wanted to bring that to your attention as well. Now, for ETFs, our FAZ, the financial triple short, is finally testing new highs, making a bullish cut pattern here, so I will be buying it over the 44.5 or so. So keep an eye on this one, FAZ. Silver still being the story of the day. Hasn't done much the last couple of weeks since its initial run-up in early May. The ZSL short has been pretty much sideways here on sideline at 20. But keep an eye on it because it's likely to move in our week ahead. And also SLV. I trade both of these. I trade them because they are inversely correlated. When one goes up, the other goes down. This is the silver long ETF, and I'll be trading it outside of these 32 to 36 immediate support and resistance bands. And with ZSL, I will be looking, I'm going to be kind of a skeptic to buy it. I may start working into a longer position over the 21 or so, 21.25, 21.5, but really not excited about this until it takes out new 15-day highs over, say, 25. So if it does start to spike up there, keep an eye on it. The reason I like it is because of, this volatility, right? On any signs of strength, you could see there's plenty of upside potential in case it comes back to life. So it's been beaten down on silver's run up, but look at all this institutional volume here on the lift, so on the move up. So breakouts over the 50, 100, and 200 MA are all longs that I will be trading myself. So I just wanted to bring that one to your attention as well. And last but not least, for our ETFs, keep an eye on our beaten down oil ETFs like USO and oil, because they have made large moves in previous months but have not done much lately. They've dropped a bit, but worth keeping on the radar for potential moves in the week ahead. Okay, now let's change channels over to our currency pairs. The only price action that looks to be upside moving is everything's trading well against the yen. Okay, so the euro yen on new highs, I'll be looking at that for longs if it takes out new 7-day highs in the euro yen. Our dollar yen has a good pattern. This is a cut breakout continuation pattern. If it takes out 82.3 or so, we'll see if it's able to take out new highs. And the British pound to the Japanese yen, the pound yen, again, two large bullish cut patterns. I'll see if it breaks over 133.4 or so. So keep everything against the yen is the one and only set of currency pairs of Forex in motion. So anything long against the yen on new highs is basically the setup for this upcoming trading week ahead. To learn more about trading currency pairs or Forex, I encourage you to get started with this great Forex Firepower DVD plus webinar series that I've put together for active traders. This is only $97. It gets you the Forex Firepower DVD shipped. It includes free shipping worldwide, and it's an actual DVD that you can play on your set-top DVD player. It'll teach you exactly how to trade Forex, and the main thing is it comes with at least 3 new webinars plus forum access coming up throughout the year. So be sure to get Forex Firepower. Again, I'm a recognized industry expert. I've spoken at the World Forex Trading Expo a couple years back and more. I've been trusted by active traders around the world. You get a good chance to learn exactly step by step how to trade currency pairs, plus examples of actual Forex pairs in motion covered in 3 upcoming webinars as well. This is a great deal and a great way to get started with learning how to trade currency pairs at forexfirepower.com. And last but not least, you can see that our E-mini, this is the S&P 500 E-mini, the ES, kind of a big bear cup, right? A large bearish cup. I like to put things in context by looking at the 3-day chart. You can learn more at eminiuniversity.com for live trading room action coming up. But you could see here, large bear cup, so I'm not really excited about buying this on either pivots. We'll be looking at selling on new lows if it takes out new lows with a safety buffer down here. Give it some room to move so it doesn't find support or form a handle and then chop and drift up or down. I want to see if there's a good momentum breakdown. If we do have a gap up continuation, I'll look at R1 being just over 1340.5, S1 around 1323.75, S1 meaning support 1, R1 resistance 1. Best resistance breakout to look at is to not buy this unless it gets well over 1346, say 1346.5 or so. So minis have been volatile lately, certainly good for intraday trading. Like to put it in context by taking a look at the 3-day chart. Overall, this is a bearish pattern, right? Sellers have been in charge, and you can just connect the dots. You don't have to draw a technical trend line from the open to the close. Open to the close. Anyway, to see that this has been in a downtrend on Thursday and Friday, we'll see if it finds support here or if it continues on down in our trading week ahead. Again, to put things in context, this is what our NASDAQ composite has looked like. It's a downtrending chart, right, over the last several trading weeks from early May through here in late May. So you can see that we're taking out a series of new bearish cut breakdowns, and we will see if our market's able to trade under 2760. And if it does so, I'll be scaling into open long positions in the short ETFs and also looking for new shorts, and will not be buying this market aggressively anything unless we break, say, over the 2900 resistance, 2890 being the nearest. I'll wait till it breaks 2900 plus before looking to buy this market. So it's a downtrending market, not too choppy. I won't say it's downtrending choppy, but it has been has been in a consolidation last couple 3 days, so be cautious, especially on Mondays and Fridays. Look for highest volatility midweek, as usual, with the bear bias, especially if the broad market takes out 2760 to the downside. In the meantime, I'll be seeing what my Borders trade does. It'll probably gap down here, right, to 16 or something. I don't know. Typically, buyouts will get priced into the price, and it typically just goes sideways for days after days. So I'll likely scale out of 80 shares on Monday and let the other 20 shares ride, especially on any weakness if it opens at or trades under the 17.5. I will scale into it long, but only if it breaks over, say, 20 and a quarter. I'm not going to buy between 19 and 20. Most likely thing, because of a buyout rumor, is BKS. Barnes & Noble just trade sideways. So I'll just take the money and run, right? $600 is always a good thing to have. Anyways, I hope you all have a great trading week ahead. This is Ken Calhoun, DayTradingUniversity.com. Be sure to take a look at my published article in this month's issue of Technical Analysis of Stocks and Commodities magazine. I'm the featured #1 article in the June 2011 issue, now available on newsstands near you. Anyways, best wishes for trading. Do good out there, and I'll see you next time.